HAFIZ TV, a golden voice for all, a platform that uplifts the Zongo's call. With wisdom and knowledge, it does it all. It serves the Muslim community well, guiding souls through day and night, keeping mind sharp and shells, bringing news that must be heard. For in this digital age of screens, HAFIZ TV stands out above the rest, with its unique content that gleams in the sea of programs put to test. It is the beacon of Islamic light, a platform that never fails to impress, with a content that is always right. HAFIZ TV, dandalin mai albarka, dandalin da ya taka kasa kura na tashi, gabanka da bayanka ba kowa shekai, kana sai kan kafanka kaman giwa, da ambatan sunanka sheko na murmushi. So let us join hands together as Muslims in the Zongo community to give hands in support to HAFIZ TV. For with our support, it will go far and be great. Thank you.
Please, once again, put your hands together for her. Taba, mata. To hadda yabo, wai gabanku da bayanku duka ba tsaranku. To an gaida HAFIZ TV kenan. Mun gode sosai.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.